Oh, beautiful. It is an Olympic. Oh, that made me jump. It's one of them. Goalball, judo, shooting, whiff waff. It's one of those four. Oh, yes. Olympic for the book. Stuff of dreams are made of. Okay, another coin hunt. 50p's, £250. All sealed bags, just the way I like it. 21st of April, 23, 20 days after my birthday. Anyway, we found a WWF in last week's video. Got me thinking about the non-Olympic coins that I'm still looking for. Of course, I'm looking for a Kew Gardens. But since Al from Absolute Coins and Bungle have recently found Kew Gardens, this year must be my year to find one of those beauties. I'm sure. Come on. The other one that I think might be quite difficult nowadays is the suffragettes. We're not going to look at the Olympics today. Pesky Peter Rabbit 2018. So is that just 3? 4 non-Olympics if you count the coronation coin that's going to go right in that slot there next to the memorial coin. So let's crack on with this hunt. As soon as I get this done, I've got a good £750 to take back to the bank. Get this done, go to the bank, maybe go to Greg's opposite the bank afterwards. No. I'm trying to be good. I'm trying to be good. No carbs, or as little carbs as possible. What a horrible coin to find as your first commemorative, but that is dictionary. I'm sure there's some of you out there that actually quite like dictionaries. Weirdos. Anyway. The other bag I've just put in front of me there has a diversity in it. Woohoo! It's not quite a WW. Whoop, it's just a woohoo! Sarcastically. Let's get that diversity out of the way as soon as possible. Right, there we go. Diversity and dictionaries. Few commemoratives in that bag. We've got our second dictionaries of the day. So that's 2 dictionaries, 2 diversities, and my first commemorative coins. Lovely. We found a Mrs. Tiggy Winkle 2016. There we go. And another Potter 2017 Peter Rabbit. Not the rabbit that we're looking for. We want that 2018. Right, another bag. Benjamin Bunny. Let's flip him over. And she's all right, isn't she? She's... unfortunately, she's all straight and narrow. I wonder if the Queen ever committed a crime. Honest, Gov. I bet she is a speeder in her Land Rovers. I bet she broke the speed limit, and that's probably about the only thing she ever did wrong. There you go, 3 in that bag. Don't know why I'm being so awkward with these. We have 2 Victoria Cross medals. That looks rubbish. There we go. Try that again. 2. Try it again. 2 Victoria Cross medals. 1 and a 2. Nearly threw them both back. And then our first Pride, probably many. We got about a 7 or 9 to beat. 7 from the last video. 9 I think is my personal best of Prides. Memorial coin. There we go. Nice one. Charlie boy. Memorial. Good. Oh, we got another 2017 Peter Rabbit. Anything else in this bag? There we go. I do like it when I see the coins like that. I wish they were made deliberately like that. They are quite cool. The penny black effect. Anyway, back to the bank it goes. Bus bag was that? Oh, wow! Wowee, did you spot that? Did you see that? I'm going to put that face down. It is... Yeah, when the camera's ready. It is an Olympic... Oh, Jesus. Hang on, I've got to check the book. Oh, that made me jump. Oh, beautiful. It's one of them. Goal ball. Judo. Shooting, whiff waff. It's one of those 4. Oh yes. Olympic is amazing. Olympic for the book. Oh Jesus, the stuff of dreams are made of. The stuff of dreams. Excellent. Shut me up. Oh dear. Right. Oh yes. Yes. Great design, this one. Really one of the best, I think. Shooting. There's so much negative space in that. So in other words, the areas that have got that are blank, that have got no design whatsoever, you don't get that on coins much. All this space down the bottom here and a little bit up the top here, just negative space, nothing going on. That is rare in coin designs across the world, really. That doesn't happen that often, so that is rare. You look at your dictionaries, for instance, just cram as much in as you can. It's not good enough just to have diversity built Britain, just bold text on a blank coin. That'd be amazing. No, you've got to put this weird sort of crystal maze dome behind it for whatever reason they think of. Negative space is very rare in coin designs. There we go, shooting for the book. That shooting actually made me think of something. I had to go to the bank the other day for work. I had to go and get some change. We'd run out, and of course I'm going to check the bags on the way back to work. I've got to check the bags, haven't I? And this bag, I'll put the picture up on the screen right now. A very nice wheelchair rugby found walking back from the bank. It was a sealed bag. I opened it up and nicked the 50p, and it's one I need for the book as well. Damn. I can't. I just, you know, open this bag, slide that under there, you know, just, there we go, tip it out. Oh, I found a wheelchair rugby. Oh, it'd be so easy. So easy to do that, but no. Got to be good. Got to be honest. There we go, 2014 Commonwealth Games, Edinburgh. I seem to think I remember. Oh, it'd probably be Glasgow in it now. Well, whichever one I would have said, it would probably be the other. Our first Brexit. Here we go. Oh, People's Act. There we go, that's good to find. Nice one, 2018. Oh, another diversity. That one's good to find. Lovely. Oh, Benjamin Britten. There we go. Benjamin Britten. Composer. How cool is that? Above face value. I'm not sure how much by, but I'm not really up on the prices just lately, but nice find. Not an Olympic, but it's cool to find. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Sorry about that, guys. The battery cut out. I was using a very old battery, freshly charged, but obviously old and knackered, and I'm going to bin it responsibly. So the end of that the bag that was sort of I was hunting through when the camera shut off, there was nothing else interesting in that bag, so you didn't miss anything. I have just found another Benjamin Bunny, great condition Benjamin Bunny. Now, if you're going to find an error bunny, you want it in the best condition possible, don't you, really? No. We got a load of bunnies. I haven't found this many bunnies in a long time. 6, 5 diversities, and just 2 prides so far. Oh, look! No. How does that happen? How does that happen? You talk about a coin, I show you a coin that I found in my change, and then that exact same coin turns up in a hunt. How does that happen? That is amazing. Oh my God, welcome to the very weird and random world of coin hunting. Random. There we go, look. No rhyme or reason to any of this. Olympic wheelchair rugby. Paralympic wheelchair rugby. And there's the other one I found the other day. Oh, dropping it. Now, which one was which now? This was the one I found the other day, wasn't it? There we go. 2 for the book. How bizarre. It's just strange, this business, isn't it? Scouts, cool design, very cool coin. Do they still give these to all the scouts in America? Do they? That's what I heard. Found another diversity. That surely now beats Paddington. Benjamin Bunny even. 7, 6. And I also found a Paddington at the Palace. My first and only Paddington of this hunt. So far we have 1 bag left. Maybe to change that. Maybe to find another coin for the book. Who knows in this random world? Who knows anything? I don't. You know I don't know anything. If you want to know something, you go and see Laughter. Or Christopher. But you don't come and see me. Oh. Another dictionary. To finish that hunt. What a hunt. That's amazing. Just extraordinary. Right, keeping hold of Benjamin Britten. Shooting and wheelchair rugby go in the book. Everything else. Bunnies, we sign them. Everything else is going back to the bank. Oh, I've got a load of bunnies. I got 3 bunnies from the last video to sign. So that's 9. 9 I've got to sign and get back into the wild. Book, 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 book. Shooting. I think that was the page that was missing the most coins. So now that's down to 3. 2 on that page, 3 on that page, 2 on that page, 2 on that page. 3 now, 1 now. Olympic or Paralympic wheelchair rugby. Stunner, great condition as well. Okay, so this page needs 2 coins, Suffragettes and Kew Gardens. This page needs 2 coins, Olympics, Badminton and Boccia. 3 coins, Goalball, Judo, Table Tennis. 1 coin, Volleyball. 1 coin, Peter Rabbit. Nice. Okay, we're doing amazingly well with this book. Episode 36, and I need 10 coins. Oh, gee, I've got to count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, counting the coronation coin. 10 coins to finish the book. Yay. Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate you watching to the end. Until the next video, please keep looking out for those absolutely wonderful, amazing, brilliant coins to collect.